Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer WebMoney to Binance. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is a transfer via P2P market. So this is an indirect transfer. So this process requires using the Binance P2P or peer-to-peer market, as WebMoney cannot be directly linked for deposits. So you will be trading your funds with another user. So in this one, you have to proceed to the Binance application and always use verified P2P merchants. For step 2 is to go to P2P trading. So this is in the Binance application. So you just have to ensure that in the buy tab, you are buying crypto like USD using your WebMoney funds. Next is the filter payment method. So from there, you just have to tap on the payment method filter and search for WebMoney. So this filter the merchants to only those who accept WebMoney for their crypto. So you can look for sellers with a high trade count and completion rate. And for step 4 is to place your buy order. So from there, you just have to tap on buy on a reliable merchant and then enter the amount that you want to spend. Like for example, $100, or it depends on you. And then from there, you just have to tap on buy USD. So a chat will open, do not pay yet. So get the seller specific WebMoney wallet details like the WMID or the account number from the chat or the order details. And lastly is to transfer funds and then confirm. So this is the final step. So send the funds from your WebMoney app to the seller, then return to Binance and tap transferred, then notify the seller. So the seller will release the crypto or the USDT to your Binance funding wallet after confirming receipts. So do not click transferred until payment is sent. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!